do a couple more. So number 3, let's do 8.267 to the 100th. I'm going to have you do this one. All right, pause the video, take a moment, put it in your chart. What do you think? Welcome back. So when you put it in your chart, you would have seen that 6 is in the hundredths place, which means you're rounding, or which means you look at the 7. Okay? So my 8 is going to stay, my 2 is going to stay. 7 is higher than 5, so my 6 rounds up to a 7. That number goes away, so this would be my answer. All right? Now, I want to do one more where I help you out. I want to do another one where I help you out just because I know sometimes this is where people get confused. So if I look at the decimal 1.98, 1.98, and I want to round to the 100th, and I want to round, sorry, to the 10th, my bad. I want to round to the 10th. Struggling, my bad, guys. I want to round to the 10th. The 10th, if you put it in your chart, would be the 9, which means you're going to be looking at the 8, which means you're going to be looking at the 8. Well, 8 is bigger than 5, right? 5 and above, round up. 4 and below stays the same. So if I round the 9 up, it goes to 10. That means that this would then go over here. So my answer would actually be 2.0. The 9 goes to a 10, meaning I add another 1 here, giving me a 2. I still need to the 10th place, which is why I put my 0 right here, which is why I put a 0 right there. Okay, let's do another one of those just so that you can see it. So if I do 2.896 to the 100th, I'm looking at the hundredths place, so the 6 tells me how to round. Again, 6 is bigger than 5, so this would be 2. The 9 would round the 8 up to a 9, and then I would put a 0 in its place to show that it was a 10. All right? So you won't have too many of those that you'll see, but I still wanted you to kind of see it. So let's do one more where you do it. So I'm going to go with 12.964 to the 100th. To the 100th. So pause the video and then come back. Welcome back. The 100th is actually the 6th place. I know I kind of tricked you. I wasn't trying to, I promise. And so we look at the 4. The 4 is less than 5, so this would be 12.96. And that's it.